Hey, this is the home you've been waiting for. 3-bed, 3-bath, plus loft, boasts over 2,100 square feet of living space and sits on an oversized 7,400 square foot lot in the coveted Blossom Manor neighborhood in Los Gatos. Come check it out.
Open great room concept boasts high-end finishes with this stunning kitchen with white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, modern light fixtures, quartz countertops, and a large center island that opens up to a spacious living and dining rooms with truss ceilings.
Luxury primary ensuite with a gorgeous barnwood door entering into a master bath where you can find a soaking tub, dual vanity, tiled shower, and a walk-in closet.
Entertain and play in this private backyard with a heated pergola and spa.
This home truly has it all for that wonderful Los Gatos living.